Hello, welcome to today's session. Now, today we are going to discuss on articles. As we know, articles are the parts of the speech. We have 8 parts of speech. Out of that, 8 articles are also there. Generally, A and D are called articles. These are adjectives in English. And there are two types of articles, definite article and indefinite article. D is called definite article, A and are called indefinite article. These articles are used before nouns or noun equivalents and are a type of adjectives. The definite article D is used before a noun to indicate that the identity of a noun is known to the reader. The indefinite article a or an is used before a noun that is general or when its identity is not known. There are certain situations in which a noun takes no article. Now we can see the usage of the definite article or indefinite article. It's very clear the definite article is using before a singular or plural ones. Indefinite articles are using before a singular noun beginning with a consonant sound. And the indefinite article an is used before a singular noun beginning with a vowel sound. We have the clarity on the particular usage. Now we can see and look at the following categories. How we are using the article in such a way. In English, the articles define or modify the nouns in a sentence. There are two types of articles already we discussed, the definite article and the indefinite article. You take one example like here, let us go to a movie. Now here, any movie, not the particular one, any movie. Let us go to a movie. A movie refers to here anyone, not the particular one, not a specified one. And take another example. The movie at Big Cinema is getting good reviews. It means particular movie. What we are going to watch now is going to be the particular movie. The movie refers to. So now we are going to see the uses of the indefinite article, that is a or an. Uses of the indefinite article. The indefinite article is used like this before a noun which has not been introduced earlier. For example, once upon a time there lived a farmer in the village. Here the speaker is introduced the farmer for the first time in the story. Now you are going to write a story. You are using the words like once upon a time or long ago, like that. So in such a situation, here the first sentence is like that. Once upon a time there lived a farmer in the village, like that. It means he is going to introduce the farmer the first time. And before an unspecified singular noun, you can use the indefinite article. Example, can you get me a book? To take one sentence. Can you get me a book? Here, the speaker is not asking for any particular book. Whatever the book you like, whatever the book you saw where, whatever the book you are having, whatever the book you have with you, so that you can share. So, can you get me a book refers to that one, not the particular book. Next, before a singular noun, while defining essential properties of class or species. Example, a bird has a beak, wing, and feathers. That's common. But here defining essential features of the entire class of the birds. So before a singular object in the sense of one. Suppose if you want to tell in 1 year, if you want to tell at first time, if you want to tell the particular one. So by that time you can use in a specified manner in a singular object. What is that one? For example, you take she earns 15,000 rupees in a year. Here A refers in 1 year but not in other way. She earns 15,000 rupees in a year. In a year. So here it refers to 1 year with some phrases indicating quantity. If you want to say about the quantity, like a few days back, like that quantity. So a lot of money is there, like that. If you, when you are using this particular quantity, you can use the indefinite article a here. Now you see what is the main difference between a and an. Both a and an are indefinite articles. We know we discussed that one, but they are used in different contexts depending on the sound patterns and not spellings. The article a is used when a noun starts with a consonant sound. For example, a table, a girl, or like that. It is also used in cases where the word beginning with a vowel letter has a consonant sound. Example, a university you take, European you take. Here the sound is U, university, U exactly like U. So now the article an is used when the noun starts with a vowel sound, like example, an I, an under, cover, taste, like that. An eye, an egg, an apple. When you get a sound of the particular vowel sound, what are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. So when you find the particular sound like vowels, then you can use the article and before that. To take another one, silent, an hour, an MLA. There also you can use it sounds like vowels. So now you take when do you use the particular definite article? Uses of the definite article. The definite article "the" is used before a noun which has already been introduced earlier. In the first sentence, already we discussed once upon a time there lived a farmer in the village, like that. So you can take that one. The farmer had a son and daughter. It means first time he introduced, second time the same you are telling. You take another example like that. I saw a dog. The dog is black in color on the street. I saw a dog. Where did you see on the street or like that? And that color is black. So you are telling about the same dog. Before some geographical areas and entities like seas, rivers, oceans, groups of islands and mountain ranges which do not have clear political boundaries. By that time, you can use the definite article the seas, the Arabian Sea, like that, the Ganges River, the ocean, the Pacific Ocean, like groups of islands, mountain ranges. You can use the definite article the, like the Himalayas, the Deccan Plateau, the Pacific Ocean, the Ganges, like that. With the names of some countries which are historically a group of territories, example, the United States of America, the Netherlands. Before nouns which are unique and only one of their kind. It means here the sun, the internet, the moon, like that. If you find a unique thing. Before superlative adjectives, example, the most difficult question, the highest peak. Before common nouns which are made unique by the use of adjectives such as first, primary, main, etc. For example, the main reason, the primary target, like that. Before nouns when they refer to the entire class or species in order to make the referent of the noun generic. Example, the tiger is in danger of becoming extinct. So before nouns when they refer to the entire class or species in order to make the referent of the noun generic, then you can use the definite article the. Before socio-cultural institutions and industries, you can use the definite article the, like the media, the government, the newspaper. Before adjectives which are used as a nouns, there also you can use the definite article the. And once we can refer the same, and once again we can get back the summarization of the definite article the, where we can use the definite article the. Before a noun which has already been introduced earlier, before some geographical areas and entities like seas, rivers, oceans, groups of islands, mountain ranges, with the names of some countries which are historically a group of territories. There also you can use the definite article the before nouns which are unique and only one of their kind. Before the superlative degrees, like the most difficult person, the highest peak, like you can use the definite article the before the superlative adjectives. Before common nouns which are made unique by the use of adjectives such as a first, primary, secondary, like main, then you can use like that. Before nouns when they refer to the entire class or species in order to make the different of the noun gender. Before socio-cultural institutions and industries, you can use the particular definite article the also. Example, the media, the government, the newspaper, like that. Before adjectives which are used as a nouns, it means using the poor to mean the poor people, the rich means the rich people. Like when you are using these adjectives, you can use the definite article the. So now we discuss the usage of the definite article and indefinite article, but there are some exceptions and where we should not use the article. It means omission of articles. Now, omission of articles, where we should not use the articles. Articles are not required before proper names of the people, languages, countries, cities, towns, streets, and single mountains. Example, India is known for unity in diversity. I speak Telugu, I speak English, like that. Before the languages, we should not use any article. Before the names of the academic subjects like I study biology, I study geology, I study uh, like chemistry, like we should not use any article before any academic subjects. Before plural nouns we should not use any article. Tigers are in danger of becoming extinct. Indians are very caring, like that. And before abstract and material nouns in the general sense we should not use any article. Like life is full of surprises, platinum is costlier than gold, like that we should not abstract our material nouns, we should not use any article. Before singular countable nouns when they are used in the generic sense we should not use any article. Like indefinite articles are not used before uncountable nouns. We need to first use expressions such as a piece of, a bit of, or refer to a specific measure. Take one or two examples here. I have a luggage to be booked. So here, that particular one you need to use. I have a piece of luggage to be booked. Another example, and she gave me an information. She gave me a piece of information. Then the sentence is correct here, then the usage. So finally at the end, before going to sum up here, we do not use an article along with the possessive pronoun. Like for example here, my, our, their, or with other modifiers. So example, you take one example. This is a my pen should not be like that. This is my pen. You should not use any article like that. I have many. I have the many friends. No, I have many friends. That is the correct. So here I have given few quiz questions. Kindly answer the particular quiz questions, and we can meet in the next session. Thank you. Today's session is articles. Kindly please work on the